what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering why I look like death, it's because A, it is 1 a.m. in the morning, and B, I am not wearing any makeup, so I look like a crack addict. Moving on, you read that right. I am going to be shaving my face tonight, because it's like, you know, like 1 a.m. so I was just lying in bed trying to sleep, and I was like, let's shave my face on camera. I got these little instruments, I don't know, from this shop Miniso, but you can find these on Amazon, you can find these on the Ras, but whatever. I just want to shave my face, so let's just jump right into it. It's my busted ass face. It's so moisturized because I didn't think it would be like a good idea to just go in with like a dry face and just like start shaving. I'm kind of scared. Oh my god, I'm getting like heart palpitations. Let's just jump right into it. It's my first time shaving my face, and this is how I saw Miss Jaclyn Hill do it, so let me just copy her. Okay, so she said to just, this feels so weird, and it's kind of like ASMR-y because I can like hear the hair getting off. Oh wow. By the way, these are not proper razors, so like hopefully these are not gonna screw me up. Like everyone who's done it, they're like, oh my god, you need to do it, just do it, it's the best thing ever. So I'm like, okay, I will do it, like let's just do it, whatever. What's the worst thing that could happen? I mean, I could cut my face open in half, but what's the worst that could happen? This is gonna take so long because my face is so big and fat. It's so weird but so good at the same time. I have so much hair over here. Oh my god. Yeah, that's a lot of hair. But I'm a hairy ass girl, so over here, like this is like a really important part. Like whenever I'm applying highlighter and it gets chunky, I notice it over here. Oh my god, I hate this part. It's like really annoying hair. If you guys don't know, I had like a thick ass unibrow since, oh my god, I so wanna like put in a picture of me with a unibrow. Actually, you know what, I will. And then I just got it, yeah, plucked off. I hated it. I hated my unibrow. Plus it was like my sister's wedding, and I was like, I'm not doing this. I'm not going to my sister's wedding with a freaking unibrow. And even now, like every 2 days, not even less, even that's an exaggeration, almost like after like every 24 hours my hair just grows back over here so quickly. I take it off and like after a few hours it's growing back over here so quickly, and I'm just like, oh my god. But at the same time, it's kind of fun. I know it's like a weird thing, but like I like to sit, I like take my unibrow off while like, you know, having my little tea and, you know, watching Friends or How I Met Your Mother. I don't know, that's kind of relaxing. That's my yoga, okay? Sometimes I just want to like pull a Britney Spears and just shave all my freaking hair off and just like relax. I have a lot of stubborn hair right over here around my chin, and I just hate it. Just get all the hair off my face. Oh wow, my face looks so smooth. I would highly suggest, please do not just start putting on makeup immediately. Your skin is very sensitive right now. All your dead skin has been removed. Your skin is literally like baby smooth. I look like an egg right now. But I feel so much lighter on my face and so much cleaner at the same time. So I'm just gonna moisturize my face. So now I'm using my caffeine solution by The Ordinary to get rid of those dark circles. A little bit over here. Face is shaved. Never thought I'd say that. But my face is shaved, my moisturizer is in, my caffeine solution is also in, and I'll check back in with you guys hopefully tomorrow or the day after tomorrow and show you guys how my face looks, or if my facial hair has grown at all, if not thicker. So let's just say goodbye for now and bye.
3 days later.
What's up, you guys? I'm back. Yes, it is Sunday now.
Today is Sunday, Sunday chicken, all you lucky children, well that's okay.
What is that? There's something floating in my chai. I hope it doesn't kill me. So let's just jump right into it. So this is my Fenty primer. After shaving my face, I made sure my face was moisturized. This is the part that I'm really excited about. Foundation. I'm just mixing my Fenty foundation because this looked way too lighter than I actually like. Like, sorry, I don't want to look Caucasian right now. Yeah, so nice. Okay, so now I'm using my Kat Von D palette, this Shade and Light palette, and I'm using this shade. Usually I ignored this shade, but I've gotten really into using this for some weird reason. I think because the contour that comes out of it is really like strong. Oh my god, that's too much. Ignore, we'll fix it in the end. That was way too much. And like, I like to like bend my face a little downwards over here. I want to stay top of my cheekbones. If you guys remember, I was like, oh my god, I'm obsessed with this palette and this pink shade as my blush, and I genuinely am. I feel like this is such a pretty pink and I don't have it in like a proper blush form, so yeah, I like using this. How freaking beautiful. Okay, so now I'm using my Desert Dusk palette by Huda Beauty. I'm literally just taking this shade and this shade. I'm going very natural today. I don't want to be like very dramatic today, so I'll be applying these lashes. I got them in PR by Fabulash by Amna on Instagram, and honestly I'm so obsessed with them. They're so freaking beautiful and fluttery. So I couldn't find my white eyelash glue. I mean, I could find it, but like it wasn't coming out of the tube for some annoying reason, so I'm using my black eyelash glue and I'm low-key scared, but I think it's going to be fine. I don't want to jinx it. These are how they look. My real lashes, my fake ones, I'm sorry, they win. So another product that I got in PR was the Pure Cosmetics Jelly Gel Body and Face Highlighter, which is basically like jelly, and I just tried it once and I was in love, but now I want to try it on camera. So this is how it looks. Yes, and I just love it. Of course, I'll be going on with my powder highlighter over this. I always think it's better to set your cream based or jelly based products with powder. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful on the forehead, honestly. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Gold. I freaking love this. This is such a great dupe of the Jeffree Star King Tut highlighter. Wait, let me just pop on some Fenty Gloss Bomb. Oh god, this lipstick and this gloss together are such a freaking good combo. And now I'm done applying my Morphe setting mist. My skin honestly looks so good and so glowy. I don't know if you guys can see the change before I shaved my face and after. In the 2 days after I shaved my face was really dry, and like only for the first 5 to 6 hours. Obviously that's how you're supposed to feel, but in terms of hair growth, I haven't had any hair growth in the 2-3 days, whereas if you shave your legs or you shave your arms, you notice like a quick hair growth and dark hair. I did not get any rashes after shaving my hair. I did not get any small pimples. In fact, I felt like my skin was more smoother. Make sure your face is very hydrated and moisturized. Do not shave on your dry face. That's always a bad idea when it comes to your legs or your face. So overall, I would say my experience was very good after shaving my face. So if you guys had fun watching this video, do like and subscribe, and go follow me on my Instagram. It is _makeup by Salva. Do leave me a comment down below and I'll say hi to you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.